Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to activate the Dalton mode on the Evony application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that you should tap on this More button down below on the right side of the screen. Then click on Settings. After that, tap on the Options button, which is the third one. Then scroll down to the Dalton mode section, and here you can activate the Dalton mode, meaning that the enemy troops marching route on the world map will be marked blue instead of red. So if you would like to enable this feature, all you have to do is tapping on this button next to it. So as you can see, it has been turned on. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.